Namaskar, Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Myself, Dr. Vilas, Jagdale, MD Homeopath. I am from Maharashtra, Aurangabad city, Maharashtra state, India. And today I am talking about the New World Order Agenda 2030. I have explained already in my some videos about what's the future in 2021 and what is the future till 2025 2024. Now especially I broadcasting this video for in English because I would like to tell all the world what's the agenda, and I'm thinking that the people around the world, the critical thinkers and some journalists who are interested to expose all the fact going around the world, but no one talked. So today I decided I will explain and I will expose that agenda 2030. I am now removing the comment section and completely focusing on, because this today's topic is none of the whistleblowers and no one of the YouTubers talked till yet. Agenda 2030 is decided by the elites groups, and they have drafted, literally it's drafted, it's in a written documents on NASA website. Yes, it's written in NASA website in 2013 or maybe 23rd July 2001, before the 9/11, and it's designed by the Dennis M. Bushnell, chief scientist of NASA research centers. What's it's in the plan, what's their agenda, especially particularly for the Asian countries, that I have told you that middle portion of the earth is prime important, and they have designed it. In the future there will be no humans interaction, no humans they are needed for their doing a dirty work. And its agenda already started in India by the loco pilots, without loco pilots, completely controlled trains. You have seen the last week in Delhi, without a train driver, that is called as loco pilot, the trains are running. Without the taxi drivers, taxi are running. Google designed that map. I have already told you that the robotic soldiers are in there. I already told you that bio warfare, that is dark winter, is coming, and it's in their agendas. They don't want humans, they don't want poor peoples in their agendas. And let's see what's the future. NASA official website, Dennis M. Bushnell, chief scientist, NASA, future strategy issues, future warfare, circa 2025, capability of the enemy after next, that is they called enemy after next is aliens, ongoing world war technology revolution, economical trend and potential natural terms warfares. This is a Reader's Digest version 2 hours presentation. It's a PPT formats. It's officially on NASA websites, presented by, written by the Bill Steiker of the DIA. Future as the future threat, a global war games available in Intelnet, which subjects they have control the future, which agencies are involved in this. So you can see the DARPA, DIA, CIA, APL, ONI, FBI, NSAP. These are the agency. Army after next. These are the Australian DOB also is involved in it. Utilization application of 2025 projections, input of the future warfare, concept development, enemy after next, blue and blue. What is a blue? That is a blue is a code word used for the aliens. Input to new procurement decisions, 15 plus years to procedure 40 plus years. That I have already told you, this all the games is go till 2060. Head up for the Intel communication watches and the warnings, DOD and the RD plannings. Politics and does the changes overnight? Yes, that is Russia, Iran, Iraq, Pakistan, etc. That is potentially capability is the future warfare issue, not who but what. What? For the land. Order 10 plus year of the development of field of new system in the involving 30 plus years should be the design for middle inventory periods, since hence 2025 is time period. Order 70% world research conducted outside the US to first order a GDP produces order 18% of the world of GDP. Order 70% US researchers, now commercial government sponsors. Technological ages of the human mankind, hunter killing billions BC to 10k BC. Agriculture development, that is the human mankind area, agriculture development in 10k BC to the 1800 AD. Industrial area in 1800 to 1950. IT sector is 1950 to 2020. Bio, remember bio and the nano, 2020 to I don't know until what the time of period. And the virtual, future is virtual. Hunter gathering, natural providers, agriculture, control natural plants and animals. That what I said. 2021 is a control. Industrial is a mechanized agriculture. In mechanized agriculture, the Krushi bill. Here is a Krushi bill. IT, bio, nano, automating industries and agriculture. I already told you, though those people do not need a farmers, they do not need a soldiers, they do not need a police. Everything will be the IT. Virtual robotization. Already told you those what you call as soldiers and the robotic soldiers. Artificial intelligence is also called as AI. It's in Q. World IT revolution. The commons, computing, sensors and electronics. US commercial IT and RD is 100 billion per year. Factor 1 million further improvement. Silicon, molecular, quantum, bio, optical, beyond human AI. It's beyond the artificial intelligence. They making a special soldiers, they making a special equipments which are handling a human mankind. Automatic robotics in the large number of AI, soldiers, barbers, doctors, police, surveillances. They are right now in production. Immersial multi-sensory hoodecs, ubiquitous multi-physics, hyperspectacular sensors, that is land, sea, air and space. Micro, nano, GNC sensor. Nano is important. Worldwide impact ongoing IT revolution. Those who are asking me what is the future of the IT, remember, there will be no IT, there will be no future of any mankind. There is no need of teachers, no need of soldiers, no need of police, no need of doctors, no need of barber, no need of taxi driver, no need of farmers. There will no need, because the future is commuting, tele-shopping, tele-entertainment, tele-travel, tele-education, telemedicines, telecommerce, telepolitics and tele-socialization. There will be no human, all the is tele. Inexpensive, motivational, asynchronous, web-based distance education enables. That I told you, there will be no schools, no colleges and no anything, because everything is distance education. Demands of the US underclasses, that's what I told you. The lower economical people, they do not need it. Demise of the US, not only for the US, it's for the worldwide. It's a worldwide. Wealth creation from the enable inventions, stabilization of the world population. That is a VEX we are talking about, giving a VEX and the GMO and the 5G and the DARPA and the waves, that all the thing is in this line. Stabilization of the world population. Even more rapid technological diffusion. The technology which are we using, they are not in future within a 1.5 year, all the technology you are right now using are be useless, because new technology, that alien reverse technology they have done in 70 years, they are launching soon. Equalization of the haves and the have-nots. Altered politics, military outlooks worldwide, AI change everything. IT status. What is IT status? 10E6 improvement in the computing since 59. 10E8 further possible next 10 years. 10E provide better than humans. 10E3 provides better than human capability. This is talking about the artificial intelligence and cyber robots. 100 million telecommuters worldwide now expected to at least double in 15 years. The telecommunicator, those who after you have any problem to any product or anything, you call for those service centers, they are the telecommuters. India graduated 3 times more software engineers than the US, more software written in Bangalore than the South CA, California. CA, I think California hoga, I don't know. CA. So remember, India is prime important. India is a target. IW effective, continue a 4th WMD. Sorry. In this worldwide, in bracket, worldwide economy, our ability to create a wealth is not bounded by the physical limits and resources, but by the ability to come up with new ideas. New idea, they don't need a resource. They don't need anything. They need just new idea, new virus. Ebola outbreak is just happened in the South Africa, and also a new virus that is called as virus X is launched. That is a bioweapon. I posted just 2 minutes ago on my timeline. However, the universal wealth will not obviate in the other cause of the warfare, which include the politics face. Remember, megalomania, territorial disputes. Remember, politics, face and religion. This is 3 things they control the world countries. Current competitive landscape. What is the US produces 18% worldwide GDP, 70% research conducted offshore, $300 billion euros trade deficit, 32 other nations devote one large percentage of their GDP to research. 5th is the no research and development personal labor units. Remember, 5th, no personal and labor. There is no need of labors and no need of anything. 3% saving rate versus 30% in Asia. What's the demonetization done to India? All the saving which we have in our houses, we put in a bank. Why? Because we selected the face which control India and which control Indian economical structure by putting our 30% economy savings in the bank by this. Who says the Modi Sahab is we elected? They are selected by the elites. Proliferation of the IT, bio, remember bio, and nano is prime important. In further I will explain it. Space technology, the Elon Musk working on it. Bio revolution application, pharma animals, remember they use their pharma people as animals, drug spare parts, fast growing plants or near a sea surface, sea water irrigated plants for the biomass energy and close CO2 cycles, polymer growing plants, spider genes in goats allow spider silk. Remember, spiders genes is put in goats, so that when they remove goats hairs to make cottons and these they can use as a synthetic spinning from the goat milk is a biosteel, 3.5x strengthen an armed fiber for the armor. This is, I am talking about the future warfare. Binary bioweaponry, dark winter. Advantage of the shallow sea, desert, production of the biomass via seawater irrigation, close CO2, food, obviate global warming, food, petrochemicals, material, clothing, energy, and reliance on the Middle East, terraforming after the desertification, etc. What I told you, middle portion of the earth. Now they are putting a HARP technology to modify a weather to greenery, making a green desert, that is Sahara and Afghanistan and the Iraq. Their rivers are just within 5 years they are flowing. Their desertation is converted into the greenland. Reservation production of a fresh water, rich mineral sources, seawater, utilization of the wasteland, that is Sahara. That's I explained just right now. Carbon nanotubes. See, I don't know what is the amount. Buckminster Fullerene carbon, 10x strength, 1/6 of the steels, 8x better than armor, low energy molecules, ultra capacitor, high temperature, SC, nano cryo, S2 storage, free form fabrication, power wire metalling using robotics, magnetically steeled electron beams to the creator, creating local melts, grow instead of the cut, no fastener, no strength back for the fasteners, nearly infinite fatigue life, excellent metallurgy, remember, nearly infinite fatigue life. they don't want work, they want just rest, and robots do their dirty work. Repairable metals and lower weight than far more expensive composites. Aluminium vortex combustor, micro powdered aluminium fed into a vortex combustor burns seawater, provided AIP with the energy SSC would enemy after next to affordably threaten Connus via multi-diners in a short time of flight purpose, that is UFO. Now this is talking about the aliens. Affordability, threatening. Sample new sensors, LiDARs 50% effective in SC optical amplifier, molecule smart cards, sensors, nanotags, that is the microchips, molecular biosensors, that is your microchips, in brain microchips, sensor implanted during manufacturing serving, nano IR, smart dust, that is chemtrails. Some sensor swarms, smart dust, cubic millimeter or less, combined sensor swarms and power supply floats in air currently for up to 2 years. That is what they are spraying right now in front of sun or around the earth. They are remaining there for 2 years. Nanotags placed on everything, everywhere, identification and the status info. Co-opted insect, the whistleblower killed after launch 2 days. That's why I called you. Remember the nanotechnology. That is the nanotechnology. GB data transfer rates, terrifying to operating a computer, computing, exceptional AI from biomatics, wonders, ubiquitous land, sea, area, space, multiply by multi-physics, hyperspectral sensor, military, commercial and scientific. Survival required disputing size reduction in the conclaimant. Size reduction, remember. Robotic swarm technology, primarily commercial and endemic worldwide. Robotic, I told you that. Doctors who are giving a filthy support to this pandemic, remember they are also in the queue for the replacement of the robots. Assumption, agreed upon the assumption and the comeback in 2025. Proliferation, TBM, IT precision strikes, targeting ubiquitous microsensors, camos, sorry. Logistic assets highly vulnerable in or out threat in and near theater ports, artificial possibly unusable beam weapons, the DARPA increasingly prevalent. EMP, electromagnetic pulses, they are volumetric weaponry, electromagnetic frequency, info, net, psychic warfare, miniature, brilliant, mini combos, fuels, air, dust air, radio frequency, chemo, bio, antifunctional, antifauna, isomers, strained bond energy release, carbon fibers, acoustics. These are the weapons they are using on their own peoples. The governments of different countries, they are using these weapons on their own peoples. Some interesting, look at the every page there is NASA logo. Some interesting, the then year BW possibility, then year and after the 2025, aflatoxin, natural parts per billion year carcinogen. These are spreading in their air, in our air. Airborne varieties of the Ebola, Lassa. Remember, just today's newspaper, they launched the Ebola virus in the South Africa. Binary agents disputed in via important product. Genomically individual social targeted pathogens. Targeted pathogen. Remember, targeted. If they want India, they want Pakistan, they want UK, USA, Britain, everything they have to, if they want, they target it and they spread the bioweapon. Long term fingerprintless campaign as opposed chalk and AW. Fingerprintless, there is no need of any. Blast wave accelerated, global precise strike on the cheap. Match 27 or less decided up to 300 lbs. Base anywhere $200 lb of projectile. Excellent steels. Remember, I will explain it. Affordability, ferocity, reaction time, survivability, you can see it. Fuels and nanotechs. Still, I will just show you. I will show it. 10 kg projectiles, slingaton for the global precision strike. The satellites which are launched in the space by the Elon Musk, this is the content of that. There is a beam of 10 kg. If you want to understand this concept, you can go and watch a G.I. Joe movie. You will get it. Poor man's global precision strikes take down weapons. Mechanical on the grounds, propulsions via gyrating spiral guides tube. This is, I am talking about the G.I. Joe movies, the technology which use as attack on the countries. Then year targeting, military overheaded system, ubiquitous commercial, scientific overheaded. Summary, major influences IT, bio, nano upon the future warfare. Robotic, automatic, info, net warfare, that I have told you that net will be the shutdown in some future. Mini, macro, nano, sats, cruise, UAV, binary, bio, weaponry, military, ubiquitous, smart mines. Potential future order of the magnitude increase in the overall the weapon and effective ability. Bio, chemo, moleculars, ubiquitous optics, micro, nano, bio weapon, cooperative swarms, weapons, sensors, volumetric weaponry, cyber, artificial life beyond the AI. They are making a cyber robotics, which is beyond the imagination of ours, beyond the artificial intelligence. They are smart intelligence. Potential in logistic vulnerability, X, blast, cruise. I will just show it. This is a long one. You can just take it. US forces, bullets. Forces are run out bullets and die. Beam weapons, not panacea. Inexpensive workarounds availability. Remember, they are self-mentioned in their official website that US forces will run out the bullets and they are using beam weapons. Deep water substance is load out, swimming weaponry only survive close in a platform. The ensure detection vulnerability, visual lidars, IR, bio. Just look at the magnetic comms. This is a DARPA. This is a DARPA design. The beams they are using for the undersea warfare office warfare undersea, yani those tsunamis and those earthquakes are made by the DARPA. An alternative, a spear submarine, obvious wave draw, optical structure, optical propulsion, intention, minimal water area, minimum interference of the control drag. Example, then year, direct conus attack capability, direct attack, 80% conus population infrastructure within a 50 miles of the coastal lines. Inexpensive, these are the weapons they are using. Future warfare on the chip, info net warfare, binary warfare, nano lethal, minimal brilliant sensor mines, micro nano, low long leg precisions, inexpensive super survivability, ISR, blast wave accelerator, blast wave, remember. Now you can see the very many things, many areas get blasted, they get fired. Then here per competitors, we are the competitors. Warfare on the cheap, military, peer, fundamental military issues, affordability, warfare on the cheap, survivability, can see everything, anything you can see, and you can kill. Remember, anything you can see, that you can be killed, you can kill. Yani the aliens are non-visible and air system is non-visible. Effectiveness, lethal, precise, volumetric weaponry, warfare meters. Just some, I just will show it. And tele trades summary, what is the future of the businesses? This is the future of the business. Trends and summaries tell you everything. US just one of the crowd. Warfare on the chips, peers, warfare on the increasing robotics, surveillance, affordability, coinus, defense. Circa 2025, machines are creative, smarts as human, robotics and norms, zeroth order, water wars, toppers, binary, next level of the connectivity, ubiquity, chip, microchip, everything, battlefield attraction. CNN is their propaganda, as like Republic TV, as like our Aztak TV, as like our those are the media which using a government for manipulating us. There in USA there is a CNN, they are used as a army to look in a SOCOM. Suggested major US future 20 warfare, CONUS defense requirement, potential approach, logistic defense protection, survivability, effectively killing grounds in the affordable ability, multiplayer physics. These are robotic warfare, AI, cyber life, alternative powers, projectiles, deep water depth. Future power projection is a human hold instead of the take ground on the sanitization, IW sanitization, global research, guns, deep water, large amount of the robotics, everything will be robotic. I have told you already. Weapons, non-explosive warfare. Hunter, chanting nature of the hunter is hunting grounds to agriculture for the farmlands and the professional armies and human held through own industrial, IT, bio, nano and RMA planning to soft class indication of the, this is being our technical wars gains path from the system. And this is the last page of their PPT. What is needed in then year 2030? Serious holistic vision of the warfare changes resulting IT, bio, nano, virtual technology revolution. Such does bumper sticker all agreed will becomes increasingly robotics and probably more if affordable swarms. A long-term vision of the changes world in would enable mapping from the present. Not all clear how to get from here, as do not know where there is. They don't know where they are going to. They don't know what will be the future of mankind. They don't know how these alien invention impact on the human mankind. They don't know, but they want a poor to die. So this is my today's broadcast. I am ending right now. So my request to all the worlds around my friends, please share the video, aware your peoples. Those governments you are thinking that they are your government, no, it's manipulated and it's established by these elites and by their agenda in 2001. It's a plan, it's officially on NASA website. The future is now, it's their headline. So please, my friends, share information with your friends, with your colleagues. What you have seen in 2020 is just a 10%. It's increased in a 122, and it's going further in 2025. And future is dark for us, for you humans. There is no human, there is no life for the middle class peoples and the lower economic class people. Only one thing, the military, the policemen, the doctors, the things they are earn so much money that you are now much more wealthier than the previous, but your money is nothing but a sheet of paper, what Modi said in 2016. Because the money demonetization will be launched, bitcoins will be launched, robotics is launched already, as I have told you. I am warning you since uh, 5 years this is happening. In 2014 launch a brain project. Its project name is a brain, because neural link, which Elon Musk launched last month, it's testing and trial done in 2014 to 2020. But in that time they wanted it by the wire, but how the people connect their brain with the wires? So they have done a research for 6 years, and they can succeed by the microchip in the brain, by that called as neural link of the Elon Musk. So please awake a people, wake up. It's too much late actually, but hope so. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.